In this video, we will look at the Watch Files tab in WordMorpher. The Watch Files tab is used to monitor a folder and detect document changes. This is useful when you work in a folder where files are added, edited, replaced, or removed during your workflow. Instead of manually checking which files have changed, WordMorpher can track them for you. First, open the Watch Files tab. Choose the folder that you want to monitor. If you want to include files inside subfolders, enable Include Subfolders, then click Scan Now. WordMorpher scans the selected folder and creates a current snapshot of the files. After that, you can start monitoring the folder. When files are added, modified, removed, or processed, WordMorpher shows their status in the file list. A file can be marked as new, modified, missing, or processed. New means that the file was not present before. Modified means that the file already existed, but its content or timestamp changed. Missing means that the file was present before, but is no longer found in the folder. Processed means that the file was already used by another WordMorpher operation. The Watch Files tab is useful together with other tabs. For example, you can monitor a folder, detect only changed documents, and then send only those selected changed files to Word to PDF, translate, print, or another supported workflow. This saves time because you do not need to process the whole folder again. You can select the changed files that you want to use. Then go to the relevant tab and use the option for selected changed files, if available. The file list helps you see exactly which documents are waiting for the next step. The log area shows what WordMorpher detected and what actions were performed. If you no longer want to monitor the folder, stop watching. You can also clear the current log and prepare the tab for a new folder or workflow. The Watch Files tab is useful for repeated document workflows, shared folders, document review processes, translation workflows, PDF conversion workflows, and batch printing. It helps you focus only on files that actually changed. In the next video, we will look at the PDF Tools tab.